Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to enter a promo code in Canva. The easiest method is to use Canva's official redeem page. Open your browser and go to canva.com/redeem. If you are not logged in, sign in to your Canva account first. Once the page opens, you will see a box where you can enter your promo code. Type or paste the code carefully and make sure there are no extra spaces or mistakes. Then click redeem. If the code is valid, you will see a confirmation message and the discount or offer will be applied to your account or eligible plan. You can also enter a promo code during sign up or while upgrading to Canva Pro. Go to Canva, choose Start Free Trial or Upgrade to Pro and look for the option that says Have a promo code. Click it, enter your code and press Apply. Always check that the price or trial details update before continuing. If the discount does not appear, double check the code, remove extra spaces or try the redeem page instead. Keep in mind that many Canva codes only work for new users or specific plans, and some must be applied before checkout. On mobile, you may be redirected to the website to enter the code, so using a desktop browser is usually easier. That is it. Use the redeem page or the upgrade screen. Confirm your discount and enjoy your Canva savings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you next time.